What is going on, Surge Army? This your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. So in this video, I wanted to make a practical use for the upcoming bridge for Surge. And right now we're looking at Ethereum. So as you all know, Ethereum has been on a bull run due to the fact that it's going to have a fork. The fork is actually happening today, the London fork. So once that news was announced, people are just buying it up, buying it up. As you can see, each candle right here represents a day in time. And I went ahead and drew the resistance line over here because that's the area of major resistance for Ethereum. So the way that this works is this is a sell the news event. So you buy it before the news. So it's like buy the rumor, sell the news. You buy it before the news. Then when the news actually comes out, the date of that event, that's the day that a lot of people are going to cash out. So how does this relate to Surge and how does this relate to the bridge? So let's say here we had Surge Ethereum. And again, guys, this is hypothetical. We do not have Surge Ethereum. I know there's going to be one person to say, hey, how do I buy Surge Ethereum? No, we haven't came out with that. I'm just showing you guys just a practical use of the bridge and how it could relate to the current cryptos that we already have, like Surge BNB and Surge USD. But for this example, since it's happening right now, I just wanted to show you just a practical use of how the bridge would actually work and how this would be beneficial to the holders. So let's say you are a Surge, you're currently holding Surge Ethereum. You enjoyed that nice bull run. Your profits, you've been stacking profits upon profit. You're just about ready for that new Lambo, but you identify in the market like, okay, the volatility of Ethereum is actually going to have a downward effect. So instead of you just holding for that downward effect, even though that by you having Surge Ethereum, that would still work as a hedge for you, you rather just move your money into a more safer and secure place. So this is where Surge USD come along. Surge USD is going to be like the safe haven. So currently right now, this is the way that traditional crypto investors, what they normally do. They normally, when they're purchasing Ethereum, they'll hold it through the volatility as it goes up. Then once the correction starts to happen, they'll actually transfer, they'll sell it and transfer their fund to USDT, so a stable coin. But with the bridge, it's actually going to give us a little bit better, more opportunity to be able to profit even from the downswing. So what do I mean by that? So once Ethereum starts to have the downtrend, what a savvy investor could actually do is, if they're holding Surge Ethereum, they could actually transfer their Surge Ethereum. They will end up paying a fee. There's a fee here. I think it's about 2%, 2 to 4%, which would cause Surge Ethereum to go higher because they're getting out of it. So now for the holders who don't care about the volatility and say they're gonna, hold on, they'll still stay in Surge Ethereum. But for the ones who don't like the volatility and rather have their money more in a stable place after the bull run is over, what they would do, just transfer out and get X Surge Ethereum and transfer it. Now this is free to be able to transfer it from here. So it's like tax free. They transfer it over to X Surge USD. Then from X Surge USD, there's the 2 to 5%. 2 to 4% fee that they will incur for the transfer. Now, once they do the transfer, the price of Surge USD, that's going to go up, but they're not going to care in the long run, because what they're going to end up doing is just pretty much being, here as a safe haven. So this is like their little safe haven, little oasis. As Ethereum, Ethereum is the underlying asset. As Ethereum continue to go down, they're just gonna wait till it comes down and actually consolidate and actually stables out before it has its next bull run. And in turn, what the savvy investor would end up doing is getting back out of Surge USD, paid the fee. Surge USD, it's gonna go up, come back to it, that's free. Then over here they're gonna pay another 2 to 4% to get right back into the asset. But since Ethereum, which is the underlying asset, is down, they're getting it for a lower price. And when there was in their safe haven, they was actually gaining more money. So they're gaining more money just by being in their safe haven over here. Then when it's time for to rebuy the dip on Ethereum, they're right back into it, and now they're going to repeat the cycle, waiting for volatility again. So the bridge in itself, like I said, whether if you're going to be day trading it for the arbitrage, whether you're going to be able to swing trade it, or if you're just going to diamond hand and just wait through the volatility, this is attracting three different types of traders. Which is going to essentially cause the price for Surge USD, Surge Ethereum, if we get one, Surge BNB, is going to cause those prices to continue to keep going up. Not only just going up, because we're already experiencing the price going up, but it would actually be going up on an exponential rate. Because keep in mind, these could eventually get to 5 zeros. Because I know a lot of people, especially the early investors, who got in. Let's say this get to 5 zeros, guys. 506 or something like that. I mean, just holding that in the long run, and we knock out a couple of, I think currently right now we're at 7 zeros on Surge USD. So let's say if we knock out 2 zeros and we get to this, guys, you're looking at over $1 million just for holding. And the key component to it is going to be the bridge that's going to attract more traders. Because if we get the frequency of trades, it's just going to make this price go up exponential. Now, as far as the timeline of how long that would take, that part I don't know. Again, we're only 6 days into it. So as we get more data, and this is out a little bit more, we would be able to try to figure out okay, when Lambo, so, but I thought I'd make this video, because I think it's pretty interesting, me looking at it from a day trader or swing trader's standpoint, how the bridge is going to be phenomenal, because not only, like I said, not only are you going to make money if you're a swing trader, but you're going to also make money if you're a day trader, and you're going to make money if you're one of those diamond handers. You're like, price doesn't matter to me at this point in time. You're hedging your bet if you're a diamond hand, for Ethereum. And as the price continue to go, as more transaction continue to interact with the contract, the more Ethereum you'll end up getting in the long run. And again, this is just purely for example. I got to reiterate that we do not have a Surge Ethereum, but I thought it would just be a cool concept of what's going on based upon current events right now. So yeah, so watch Ethereum, guys. Again, this is not financial advice, just my opinion. I think Ethereum is going to go down in price, but again, I could be wrong. But this is Random Arts signing off. Peace.